Chapter 8, Section 7, Classifying Quadrilaterals. We're going to learn to name and identify and draw some types of quadrilaterals. Some quadrilaterals have properties that classify them as special quadrilaterals. There are 6 major special quadrilaterals. We have a parallelogram. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Side and side are parallel. Side and side are parallel. And they are congruent. 1 slash, 1 slash, 2 slashes, 2 slashes, and are pairs of opposite angles. This angle equals this angle, and this angle equals this angle. So this is our parallelogram. Then we have a rectangle. We have 4 right angles. Now remember, we're still a parallelogram because parallel and parallel, parallel and parallel. But the key now is 4 right angles. A rhombus, all of our sides are equal. 1 slash each. Parallel, 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 parallel. And then a square has 4 sides equal. 1 slash, 1 slash, 1 slash, 1 slash. They're all equal. 90, 90, 90, 90. So those are all equal. Parallel and parallel, parallel and parallel. So that's a parallelogram also, isn't it? Now trapezoiders are odd man out. He can only have 1 pair of parallel sides. I'm going to draw him up here a little bit better so you can see. This side is parallel to this side, but these 2 sides are not parallel, are they? So a trapezoid, 1 pair of parallel sides only. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So looking at our tree of quadrilaterals. Notice how we branch down to parallelograms. A special parallelogram is a rectangle. A special rectangle is a square. Again, quadrilateral down to parallelogram. Special parallelogram is a rhombus. Special rhombus is a square. And then we have poor old trapezoid over here. He didn't have 2 sets of parallel sides. He only had 1. So he's over here by himself. So let's think about our tree as we're going to classify these quadrilaterals. We're going to give all the names that apply and then the best one for it. So let's look at our sides. Is this side equal to this side, equal to this side, equal to this side? Yeah. So first off, I think it's a quadrilateral because it does have 4 sides. Is this side parallel to this side? Yeah. Is this side parallel to this side? Yes. So it must be a parallelogram. And I'm going to just abbreviate that. So we have quadrilateral down to parallelogram. Now we're going to branch off. Is it a rectangle? No, rectangles have to have all right angles. So we need to branch the other way. It must be a rhombus because we have 2 sets of parallel sides and all 4 sides are congruent. So let's see. It is a parallelogram and it is a special parallelogram called a rhombus. So all the names again. Well, it is a quadrilateral, 4 sides. Now let's think of our sides. Parallel and parallel, but these 2 sides are not parallel. So if I only have 1 pair of parallel sides, I have to be a trapezoid. So we went off on that other branch over there, didn't we? 1 pair of opposite sides, so it is a trapezoid. All right, think about it from the beginning. It is a quadrilateral. So does it have two pairs of parallel. This side is parallel to this. This side is parallel to this, so it is a parallelogram. Again, I'm going to abbreviate. Oh, we have four right angles, so it has to be a rectangle. Does it go all the way down to being a square? Are all four sides congruent? No, so we have to stop at rectangle. So let's see if we're right. Two pairs of parallel sides, so it's a parallelogram. Four right angles, so it is a rectangle. The further down your chart, that's your best answer. So rectangles the farthest you can go down the chart, so that is your answer. All right, it is a quadrilateral, four sides. Is this side parallel? Yes. Are these parallel? Yes. So we're going to come down on the parallelogram branch. Is it a rectangle? Four right angles? No, can't be a rectangle. Is it a rhombus? Four congruent sides? No, it's not a rhombus. I think I'm going to be stopping at parallelogram. Let's see. Two pairs of parallel sides, parallelogram. And that's all the further down our tree we could go, isn't it? So give all the names and then the final name that best describes it. Pause now and do this one. All right, let's see if you were right. It has two pairs of parallel sides, so it's a parallelogram. Four right angles, it's also a rectangle. And that's all the further down our tree we could go. So that is the end of classifying quadrilaterals.